When you think about the people who keep Canada moving, it's the automotive technicians working behind every garage door. If you've ever wondered how to take your skills beyond provincial limits, the Red Seal Automotive certification is your gateway. It's not just another qualification, it's your passport to work anywhere in the country with recognized professional credibility. So, what exactly is the Red Seal Automotive program? It's part of a national certification system that sets one standard for trades across all provinces and territories. Whether you're tuning engines in Vancouver, inspecting brakes in Calgary, or troubleshooting electrical systems in Halifax, your Red Seal proves you're a top-tier professional. Employers across Canada recognize this credential as a mark of excellence, and it signals that you meet the highest national standards for the trade. Now, let's talk about the path to certification. To earn your Red Seal Automotive endorsement, you'll first need to complete an apprenticeship or prove your experience as a qualified automotive service technician. Once you're eligible, you'll take the Red Seal exam, a test designed to measure both your technical skill and your ability to think like a professional mechanic. You can expect 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions, and you'll have about 4 hours to complete them. Questions often reflect real workshop scenarios, like diagnosing a misfiring engine, identifying proper torque settings, or understanding how onboard computer systems interact with mechanical components. It's not about memorization. It's about real-world logic and precision. Preparation is where most people find their edge. Many tradespeople begin studying 3 to 6 months before their exam date. Break your prep into focused sections: electrical systems, steering and suspension, powertrains, air conditioning, and of course, safety and diagnostics. Don't just read, engage. Use diagrams, watch demonstrations, or quiz yourself on component identification. The more you connect your study material to what you do daily, the easier it will be to retain and apply the information. To make your preparation smoother, you can use study tools built specifically for Canadian tradespeople. At redsealstudyguide.ca, you'll find question and answer books, explanation-style guides, and online timed practice tests that mirror the structure of the real exam. These materials are instantly downloadable, meaning you can study on your phone, tablet, or laptop anytime, whether you're in the shop, at home, or even on a coffee break. Each resource is designed to help you understand why an answer is correct, not just memorize it, building confidence and reducing test anxiety. Once you pass your Red Seal Automotive exam, the benefits start rolling in quickly. You'll gain access to interprovincial mobility, better pay rates, and opportunities to move into specialized roles like diagnostic technician, shop foreperson, or instructor. Some mechanics even use their Red Seal credential to open their own auto shops or move into management and inspection roles. It's a major milestone, one that can transform your hands-on experience into recognized professional status. The Red Seal Automotive program represents skill, pride, and possibility. It tells employers and clients that you don't just fix vehicles, you understand them inside and out. And if you're serious about preparing, start with trusted Canadian resources at redsealstudyguide.ca, because when you're ready for the road ahead, your Red Seal certification will take you anywhere you want to go.